Hi everyone and welcome back. If you are using the Copilot standalone app, you might be wondering how do you delete your old conversations? Well, in this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to clear your chat history, and I am using the latest version 1.25032.166.0. So before we begin, make sure you are on the same version as me. Here is how to check. Open your Copilot app, then go to settings, click on about, and here look for the version number. As you can see, 1.25032.166.0. Launch your Copilot app from taskbar, then do sign in to your Copilot app if you have installed a new version or recently signed out. Once you sign in, you will find the history of your conversation to the left side of your Copilot app, like this. Now to delete this conversation, go to the account icon at the bottom left corner, then click on account settings, then look for privacy settings. Under privacy window, navigate down to export or delete history and then click it. This will launch your default Windows browser. In my case, it's Edge browser. Do sign in to your account. After sign-in, under Privacy Page View, you will find Copilot App Activity History. Just hit Delete All Activity History, but remember all your personalized suggestions and responses will be deleted permanently. Then click on Clear button. A message reading your Copilot activity data has been cleared will appear as confirmation. Now close or minimize the browser and then relaunch your Copilot app to take the effect. And there you go. Your all conversation is deleted now. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.